Hi there, Tassos here. And if you've been following this page, or if you have attended the annual quiz panel workshop with Ryan Levesque and his team, then you already know the incredible power of questions in your business and in your marketing. And you know that the most effective way to use questions online is through quizzes. And Ryan is building those amazing quiz panels that help thousands of businesses that we use to automate the whole process, segment people into different buckets, different groups, personalize experiences and provide content tailored to their needs, and build trust from the very first moment, and so much more. Now, in the first session of the workshop that happened on Monday, Ryan shared the quiz funnel paradox. And in the second session that happened on Wednesday, Ryan revealed how to discover your big idea behind your quiz, the most important part in this methodology. And today, Friday, Ryan is going to reveal the quiz funnel blueprint, the whole framework from start to finish. And tomorrow, Saturday, June 18, is the last day of this workshop. And I had a little birdie coming to my window this morning, and it said that Ryan is organizing something special for this session. And tomorrow, Saturday, June 18, is the last session of the workshop. And it's the best session of the workshop because Ryan will be revealing the 6 steps to building your quiz funnel, including early bird access, but only for those who attend the workshop live. No recordings, no replays, so you need to be there and grab the opportunity. It happens only once a year, so time is of the essence here. This workshop and this offer is for you if you are ready 100% to add quiz funnels to your business, and having Ryan and his team build the quiz funnel for you instead of you doing the work is a no-brainer. Ryan and his team build millions of quizzes. He's the best of the best in this space, and you'll get him do the work and build the quiz funnel for you. This is insane, and I am pretty sure that Ryan is going to offer more bonuses during this session, but the little birdie did not reveal more information. And if you decide to grab this huge opportunity, you'll have my dedicated support and help for a lifetime to help you improve and tweak and refine those amazing quiz funnels, and to help you with other areas in your business with marketing and advertising services. And we'll take a look at your business as a whole with my methodology, the 7 ideals, and we'll expand those incredible quiz funnels to do even greater things. And if you have not attended any of Ryan's workshops, then again, this workshop is a great opportunity for you as well. There is more information right on this page. There are a ton of guides and resources and downloads, and we have also a contest. If you want us to build a quiz funnel for you and get your brand featured on our blog, that's a great opportunity for you. And I'm also documenting my progress as I'm building a quiz funnel in real time and enhancing it with live events using my 7 ideals methodology, so you can get access to the documentary videos as well and register for tomorrow's last workshop, the last session, Saturday, June 18, early bird opportunity. Don't miss out. And when I say my dedicated help and support, I mean that we'll go through my whole 7 ideals methodology from start to finish. So when you build your quiz funnel and get it up and running, we'll go through the 7 ideals to improve all areas of your business and your marketing. And you'll get to know other methods and other tactics and marketing strategies that we use, other funnel strategies. We'll organize amazing live events. We'll provide superior user experiences, and we'll help you target people in innovative ways, and we'll help you with your paid advertising campaigns. This is where everything happens, when you drive targeted traffic to your pages. So we have so much to cover, and I'm really looking forward to working with you one-on-one. So don't miss out. This is a great opportunity. Register for tomorrow's session, the last session, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks for watching. Take care.